Let's talk for a second about role restrictions on tasks and how those work. So you can see I have a playbook here. I'm in the library looking at a playbook. I have this list of tasks inside of a module, and each task has a different role restriction. These first three tasks are internal. So this one is the ME merchandising role. This one is the account manager. This is the implementation manager. I can also add an additional role that could be chosen for this one. So then when I go to create a project, click this button here, or when it's created automatically, those roles will be filled. So here in this tab, we're on the project creation role type step. So now I've defined which internal users are going to be on this project. And now I need to decide for all those tasks marked merchandising for the role, I want to assign Mandy Edwards. Now, this doesn't have anything to do with their actual role at the company. You can choose any internal user assigned to the project. So I'll go ahead and assign all of these when I go through the following steps and I create the project. So now in this project, the assignee here is the one we chose for that particular role. In the project creation, we didn't assign that person to each task. We assigned them to a role, which was then assigned to one or multiple tasks. And where this gets really useful is when you have dozens or hundreds of tasks in a playbook and you want some of them, maybe 20 of them, assigned to a particular person, this automates it for you. Now, to dig in just a little bit more deeply, if I look in here and I look at this list of role restrictions I have here, where you define that is over here in your settings. So click on settings over on the left and then task roles. Then you can create any role that you'd like to create here, both for your internal users and for your customers. Click add role, fill in what it is there, and then you'll automatically be able to use it in project creation.